How to fix login or verification issues in Trading 212 application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're being unable to log in, not receiving verification codes or stuck on identity verification while trying to access your Trading 212 account, then here's how you can go through it. The first thing you want to do is to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can stop verification codes or login pages from loading properly. After you have a stable internet connection, launch Open Trading 212 application. Once you open it up, you'll end up in this login screen. Go ahead and enter your credentials carefully. If you're unsure, then you can tap on the Forgot Password link at the bottom of the screen and follow through the instructions to reset your password or recover your account. After you type down the correct password and email, you can tap on the Sign In button to get access to your account. If it does not work for you, then try updating your Trading 212 app to the latest version. Outdated apps may cause login or verification errors sometime. Go ahead and open up Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search bar, type in Trading 212 and search. Open up this Trading 212 Stocks and ETF app info, and if there is an update button, just tap on it. If you tap on update, you'll download the latest version of the Trading 212 application, and your app will be updated to the latest version. Once you have the latest version installed, open the app and try logging in again, and you might be able to fix your issue. If the problem still persists, then go ahead and open up the Settings app from your device. Under Settings, scroll down and tap Apps. Inside App List, search for Trading 212. Tap on it, and in the App Info section, tap on Clear Data at the bottom right. In the pop-up, click on Clear Cache. Now tap OK in the pop-up to clear your cache data from Trading 212. Right after you do that, you'll be able to delete the cache data from the app. This will help you remove temporary glitches in the app. Now you can go ahead and try logging in, and you might be able to see the difference. So those were some of the fixes you could try out if you are ever having login issue or verification issue in Trading 212. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.